kmie kpa jungki kanak skul kapan mau da kajing sengukia kiles nok tilang rengkat bat nonghikai ha jingdawa hiar shuki ka principal jong ketiga skul ba penyai deka sarkar kakong ayom ksiar dingdo ki nonghikai skul kila penlong kajing ki ra alamayong kum kada kajing sengusi bat penrem ia kajing bom simkia ka principal halor kajing bagi kanak skul ki kandu halor kajing long jiman jong ketiga skul ki kmie kpa jungki kanak skul kila penlong ru kajing soi pejba kum kada kajing jingkyrshan ia kaju kamat baki nonghikai ki dawa habai kran berkinong tok kubor nakaliang ki kmie kpa kile thu bakati ka skul kambiang ki kamra kelas ki jakalej bar ka umbam umdi bat giwe ki jinon kam nakamata ka jimantoi ki kanak skul kile thu ru bah ka porslap ka karung bej cepok kelas ki kamra kelas kim dan laj berkamtam ka jimbom don ka kuit ka suba ka babu jingma ya ka kuit ka khia jong ki kanak skul baru ka jimbom biang ki jakai lekai kumta kilai ka jingkyrshan ka bapura ya ka jingdawa hiar shuki ki nonghikai ya ka principal berkenturu ka sarkar bahkan le halor ka neka kam kelapan paru ka jing sengukia halor ka jimbom tre kandu jong ka principal ya ki kmie kpa ki bala persang banyak kran halor ki neki jing ha ka neka juga sengi ki kmie kpa ki lale jeru banjurib ki kamera kelas ki jakalej bar ka madani lekai nalor kiwe
halor ki neka jingmi ki hai kubor lo belum jingman ke skul belum kai bakin mi korkom bakin da ki lamayong kalong ki kepala lari sini isu lah kamslem de hakapor ni la kalian ki kwa beranggan ke PTA ni lara ikini haka jinthau bang la samet di nusa buran buram ini dari atau kapor ya jingkermen bahkan dan ke na kalian jadi sokar bahkan le bahkan tek perman ya jing ni jungi ki guna ke skul ibre ka yo ibre ni buat mana berapa yo hana bagi kini kalong political dengan try nak kalian tinggi ki pai pop pencai ba saya gajing jobo jungki pinkana bagi ada kena skul tim to singan chu bagi penuh kami pinkana nomor ba iyo jing pang di jat mi pai ki wan ban persno hangi gajing bom don ki sila kai hapo skul lagi dia ko mo na kena kata mereka jinglong ke kampus si bagi kamera mereka kmie gajing bom don ke library am try berkata kan pol tu kata kadi ki kapa kalian kini pa bibu na ni posul ni don gajing sang bagi kon dungi hapan gajing yo jing biru kinan gajing lakai posul kinan ki basic amenities mo ta ka ka sekali seba nomor kina ni mandri kun tai ki shong isi kinan ni gajing kwa ki ban kam sekali seba but isu ko mi ningkong ya kadi kata hi ni pa pengin address atau ningkong ni lagi ni principal agak pasang deploy bagi siap buat ini banyak dan rehadian ngapip nak daw ini impua acu banyak dan kmi pa pre ini ongta li kren ni klen joki ni kli kren kmi paru buat pre mio pre kalong ba musnat karu kom ini di penon kam ki kan dengan saya hang ni kita ni kmi pa kiban buat dia taru halor ka managing committee nak klen junga ngala kalau presiden juga PTA di sport kalau member juga managing committee but agak jingnya kan managing committee nah kalian ini ila persang man suatu hanur pam managing gede pandai jadi kursi suka meeting gede bandan berkorpom pada kingdom kam mau school pada bandwala akmat managing committee pada lalu managing committee nak lagi saya cikmat andre konsulsi kalau hadir ke tu kam ngimpen tinggi ke cepat kam managing committee buat ni susah aku kalau apa itu nak kata buat dia bagaimana jingkai berapa ki don kita ngasai ini tip lagi internal issues ki belum kumno pada nak jingkai dari apa itu nak buat jingkai berapa segala mayong berapa kawan jing susi hal pun ki make apa ki keli yang boleh jai itu tak sekolah ya hari ini ni suatu berapa nak lagi ki nonghikai itu kila ai kata kata ke sarkar agak kila kerausia iki jing semua juki halor kajing bom hun sio bai ni principal indan hang bai nya yang ke skul but isu bakal kelong genuine kate kan nomor ba kamdan kata jenuh body meeting kila kerpa la bonsen kamdan kata kajing ya kendua iki nonghikai kila bani kendua principal ban ya grand namta kajing mahajing dia ke skul kena school ru don gi bal bakwa ni kena school ru kim yo lat bani kendo ya school ngatai don hi kwa bikin pun ngoi school ini long ba kawan rai ke tingnya fair apa deng school minum punya school nonghikai pada nomor ba kamdan pada kata kecingnya lutu jumat bikin school nanti kita break kena school ni dengan kan ni mi bai kwan ni do ngang su nomor ba mata ngai bagi kon di jungi kindawan wan sieng wan ni kan school kisunya kamdan kata sekolah buat bon sempre ngi poi mai ki bre bali bakin pendap ki homework ne ke ada ning lai so bre kompong school hani bre tam susi glai ko na jong bahar ni ki wan andriu kan ta ki pun lot hani school andrei basic facilities basic amenities kim don tiginawan pre hani bre samai sing mi pa mata kolong ikna bre bakin jingai mi pa nomor bag ni tu ki gijin kam Kira-kira isi kita di sekolah, dia kata sekolah, dia cakap dia cakap bagi sunat, ngan saya lihat nak kenduk perlok, ngan saya kamdon ke ibu sunat sekolah, dia ngan kerpat na kalian punya juga surkan suhab kin simkia halor kani marba kamdei tang sipang ni mikpa ni buatan ta jihad sekolah, dari perkar kalau we di azab na apa ningi semua ba ngingi ju ombor na bisa lagi di lawe juga kayak begitu ni baik ini punya pesan iki mereka makan ni garukom di kalawe ko kundo ya ya
I'm here right for 11 years means my eldest daughter was here, she passed out, then now my other daughter's here, she's in class 11. The major problem we face is the bathroom right from when she was small up till now. But this year itself, when she's in class 11, the problem which I face is that when there's rain, the water enters the classroom from the RAM itself from 11-12. And they could not take classes when the water enters the classroom. So that's a problem. We already talked with the teachers. They said that we have to talk with the principal about it. But up till now, no initiative is taking place. And plus, my daughter said also that there's no electricity in the classroom of 11-12. That's the main problem also. When there's raining, it's dark, they have to go without electricity in the classroom. That's the main problem for 11-12. And even for the smaller classes is the bathroom problem and the cleanliness of the school. I've been a Paimon girl. It was so clean during our times. Even my elder daughter was here, it was clean. But now the condition, you have seen yourself how the condition is, it's not clean. Then the classroom was so dusty. I don't think so. The sweepers sweep every day. The children, in the morning when they come, they have to dust their own places. Before they sit down, they have to have the dusting cloth, and before they sit, they have. And it's also the classroom is congested. Before, the classroom is meant only for 35, 40 students, but now around 50 plus are sitting in one classroom. It's congested. And we have talked with the principals many times also, but up to now no initiative hasn't taken place. So that's why we saw the teachers are protesting yesterday. So today we as parents also have our grievances. We supported them because it's the same issue what the teachers are facing. Even we parents are facing the same problem. When we want to meet the principal also, it's a very hard task to meet. Thank you. My answer is that from our side is that we want to see the condition of the classroom to be maintained, means there's so many leakage, to see about the leakage, electricity, and even the computer room.
Do you support the demand of the teachers that the principal should step down?
Yes. For that, yes. It's 2,400 you have to pay for the development fees. Then the computer fees is 600. It's separate. You have to pay for that. But we don't know what is used with the computer fees, because when you see the computer regarding computer classroom, you should go and visit the site and see it. You see the condition of the computer. You should ask the computer teacher about it. They'll explain to you very nicely. Yes, there's many parents have left the children out from.
How many of them do you have numbers?
No idea, but we heard many of them. Like when you went from before, up till now it's the same classroom. You didn't increase the classroom. And so the practical rooms, which you have biology practical room, the chemistry practical lab and all, they are used for classroom now. It was meant for the laboratory, but now they use for classroom.
We are supporting the teachers, the number one, and the teachers they have a genuine cases of their own, and we as parents we don't want to interfere in anything. But what is we are concerned here is the betterment of the student, of the student and our children as a whole. So stepping principle, that is another issue. But what we are concerned here is anyone who is ready to be responsible. That is what is we are really wish for. It's like anyone who come also. If the new one will come, if there is no assurance to improve the situation, there is no point. But we here demand for a better leader. That's what I have to say, because we really need to change. We really need a good leader. So, being a leader, we were not able to see, we were not able to express our problems. So that can be, that cannot move on in the big institution. So as parents, I request the government to kindly look into this matter. We really need to think about this, because small children are there, and then the issue of toilet is really the main cause here, because many of the children they are facing so many problems, and school is their second home. So without a proper toilet, without a proper hygiene, that is what we are really concerned about. Personally, as a person, she is a good person. But then, as in general, as parents, we need to discuss many issues. But that is, as personally, myself, I don't have any issues. But then, regarding the betterment of the students, it needs to, you have to a seriousness that we need to discuss how to bring up some changes, how to improve the all-round development of the student.
For myself, for my daughter, I'm concerned about my daughter, because see, if the toilets are very dirty, so the whole day she doesn't go to the toilet, then health issues arises. They don't want to drink water, or they don't want to go to the toilet. Some children have suffered because they get UTI also because of that. So mainly it concerns their health also, the students' health, the children's health. So if the sanitation is not good, imagine the health, the condition of the students also. So mainly the complaint is about the toilets, because it's affecting them a lot. They have to, when they come back from school, they just run. They say, "Mommy, we didn't go." So it's really, there's so many children have suffered because of that, and a lot of girls have, they're getting UTI because of the toilets. There's no water. If they want to go, there's no water. So how can they, there's no water in the school. Water should be provided, right, in the toilets. There's so many toilets, but without water. So how can they go? The classroom situated near the toilets, they stink, and the class teachers have to spray room fresheners, which is also not good for the children, the small kids, especially class 1, class 2 kids. So everything, all these issues we have brought up when they call us for parent-teacher meeting. We've told them, but nothing has been done till now. So we are most concerned about our children. So we want a change. And then the muddy field. There are about more than 2,000 students here. They don't have a place to play. They have to play in the driveway during lunch, which is not safe. Suppose a car comes, if there are any injuries, we are concerned as parents. So that's why we are with the teachers, protesting together with the teachers.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.